In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a complete digital store from A to Z using System.io. So make sure to watch till the end. And one more thing, if you are interested in creating your own digital store using System.io, you will find the link to the platform right below this video. Just click on it to sign up and create your free account. Now, this is what the System.io dashboard looks like. To start building your digital store, the first step is to go to the site section from the menu. Here you will see an option called digital stores. So just click on that. If you haven't created any digital store yet, this page will appear blank. Don't worry, that's normal. To create a new digital store, simply click on the create button. Once you click, a pop-up window will appear like this, and from here you can start setting up your store. Okay, so here you will need to fill in some basic details to get started. First, enter the name of your digital store. This is the name that will be displayed only for you. For example, I will name mine Softscope Review. Next, you will say domain name section. By default, System.io provides a subdomain. You can also connect your custom domain if you want, but that's a separate process which we will cover in another video. Okay, so for now, I will stick with the default domain. Then comes the URL path. This usually gets filled in automatically based on the name you choose, but you can also edit it here if needed. Okay, below that, you will see the language section. You can choose your preferred language for the store. I will keep it set to the default, which is English. Once you have filled in all the details, just click on the save button. And that's it, your digital store is now created. The next step is to customize it and start adding your products. So first we are going to customize the header of our digital store. To do that, I will simply click on the edit button and this interface will open up. The first thing I need to do here is upload a profile picture or logo which will appear on the left side of the header. You can preview how it will look right here. Okay, so now I will upload the logo of my YouTube channel. To do that, I will click on the pen icon. If you haven't uploaded your logo or any image yet, you can either drag and drop it here or upload it directly from your computer. Since I have already uploaded my channel logo earlier, I will just select it from the library. And as you can see, the logo has now been added and is showing in the preview. It looks great, right? Next, I will update the store's display name to match the name of my channel, which is Softscope Review. And that's it. Everything looks perfect now. Now, the next step is to add a short bio that describes what your digital store is all about. Basically, what people can expect when they visit your store. So, I'm going to paste a short description here that explains the purpose of my store. You should also write a short, clear bio about your store, what it offers, and how it helps your visitors. Okay. Once the bio is added, you can see a preview of it on the left side of the screen. After that, we will move on to adding your social media links. If you have visited other digital stores, you have probably noticed they often include links to their social media platforms so visitors can easily find and connect with them. So you can do the same. Just link your social media accounts to your store so anyone visiting can follow you across platforms. For example, I will add my Instagram username here. Just type your handle in the designated field. Next, I can add my TikTok ID as well by entering the username in the respective box. Note, I'm just entering demo usernames for now. Personally, I don't have an active Instagram or TikTok account at the moment, okay? So on the left side, you can see a live preview of how your profile section will appear right below your profile picture. Now, if I click on show more, you will see additional options appear. For example, you can even add your email address, which is a great feature. So if someone wants to connect with you directly, they can simply do so via email, right? Here is one thing to note. Some platforms only require your username, while others will ask for the full link to your social profile. For instance, for platforms like YouTube, you need to paste your full channel link. Okay, but for platforms like X, formerly Twitter, you just need to enter your username. Okay, so as a rule of thumb, wherever you see the @ symbol, just enter your username, and whenever you see a field starting with HTTPS, you need to paste your full URL of your profile, okay? For example, if I want to connect my YouTube channel to my store, I will simply go to my channel, copy the link and paste it in the YouTube field here. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do it now because I regularly share tutorials like this one to help you build and grow online, okay? So I will now copy the URL of my YouTube channel. Just select it from the address bar and copy it. Then I will return to the system.io editor and paste the link into the YouTube field. As you can see, my YouTube channel is now successfully connected to the store. In the same way, you can connect all your social media profiles by adding either your username or full URLs depending on what's required. Once you have done adding your bio and social links, just click on the save button to save your changes. Now our header section is fully complete, but if you notice, it still looks quite basic or simple. Don't worry, we will customize the theme and design later. For now, let's move on and start adding products to the store. To add a product, click on the Add New Product button. This will open a pop-up window like this. The first option allows you to redirect customers to an external link, which is super helpful if you are doing affiliate marketing or want to promote something outside your store. For example, I will show you how this works in real time. I will click on it and this interface will appear. Now the first thing I need to do is upload a thumbnail image which will be displayed on the left side of the product block. For this demo, I will use my channel logo as the thumbnail. So I will simply select it from my uploaded images, okay? As you can see, the logo has been added successfully. Next, under the title field, I will write, check out my YouTube channel. You can also customize the button text that appears with the product. For example, I will change it to say like click here to check it out. Next, we have the subtitle section which appears right below your main title. For now, I will just paste the same short bio I used earlier. Then comes the link field. Here I will paste the URL of my YouTube channel. If you are promoting a product instead, this is where you would paste your product's affiliate or sales link, okay? Once everything is filled in, just click on the publish button to make it live. You can also choose to save it as draft if you are not ready to publish yet. But for now, I will go ahead and publish it. And there you go. Our YouTube channel link is now successfully added to the digital store. Now let's add another product by clicking on add new product again. Here is a great feature. You can use your digital store to collect email addresses from your visitors. To do that, select the collect emails option from the product type. This is perfect if you're building an email list or offering something like a free ebook, guide, or lead magnet. Now again, I will upload my logo here to keep the branding consistent. Next, you can add a title explaining what users will receive in exchange for their email. In other words, give them a compelling reason to subscribe. Like, let them know why they should enter their email here. You can fully customize this section, including the button text, subtitle, and other content as needed. By default, the form collects the email address and first name. If you don't want to collect the first name, you can simply remove it from here. And if you want to collect more information beyond name and email, such as phone number, country, city, or anything else, just click on the Add Field button and select the additional fields you would like to include. Once everything is set up, click on Next. On the next screen, you will see a thank you message. You can keep the default message or customize it based on your tone and offer, okay? Finally, click on Publish to make your email captcha from live. And now your email collection block has been added to the digital store. One more useful tip, you can drag and rearrange the blocks to organize your store layout. For example, if email collection is your top priority, you can drag this section to the very top of your store so that it's the first thing visitors see. Now let's talk about the email collection feature. Currently, this section only allows you to collect email addresses. It doesn't automatically send any emails. If you want users to receive an automated email as soon as they submit their email address, you will need to set up automation in system.io, okay? And after that, click on this and go to the options. Here you can connect an automation workflow that sends an email immediately after someone subscribes. So once that automation is set up, anytime someone enters their email, they will automatically receive your message, whether it's a welcome email, free download link, or any other follow up. Now, if you want to add another product, just click on the add new product button. You can use this to sell an online course, offer a digital download, or promote any other product. The process for all of these is pretty much the similar. Next, let's work on changing the theme of our digital store because right now it looks quite basic. To do this, I will click on Edit Design. You will see a variety of themes appear which you can apply to your store with just one click. I'm going to choose a simple and clean design like this black themed layout. It looks modern and easy to read, which is important for user experience. You can also preview each theme before applying it, and if you would like, you can further customize colors from here, like changing button colors or text highlights. For now, I'm happy with the default look, so I will leave it as it is. Once you are ready, just click on Apply Theme. To preview the final look, I will click on View, and here you go. This is how your live digital store will appear to visitors. And that's it. This was the complete step-by-step tutorial on how to create a fully functional digital store using System.io. I hope you found this video helpful. If you run into any issues or have questions, feel free to drop a comment below. I will be happy to reply and help you out.